For those of you guys curious about how I removed my turn signals and relocated them to the marker lights, I'll do this quick video. So I started out with taking out the two bolts here. It's a number 4, focus there, Allen. So take that guy off. Then underneath you'll have 2 more holes. Those holes actually line up there. It's also number 4, there's 2 of them. So before you are able to remove the headlight assembly, there's 2 push pins or pop rivets back here, one on either side. Just get a small screwdriver or a small Allen key to pop them. They just look like this. So once those are out, you can pull the headlight assembly forward, and right at the top you'll see this brown and black connector here. You want to remove that. Pull the headlight assembly down. My wires are disconnected just for my ease, but you'll have your 1 headlight wire, 1 bulb, both high and low. I've got an LED in there, so that connects here, and then that brown and black wire that I disconnected, that goes back up into the wiring harness. But where it connected here, those are the marker lights. So you can see I have mine cut, but on yours, let me move the camera, these 2 wires will come down here and down here. It actually branches out into 4. So what you need to do is cut back the protective cover over the wires, and you'll find where the 2 brown and black here split off into 4. So where they split off into 4, just cut that. I shortened mine up a little bit. I just put heat shrink over them and some electrical tape to keep the water out, and I'll keep the connection connected as well to keep the water out. So after I cut those from the marker lights, my turn signals, I did the same thing. I just cut the wires, so that's garbage now. So turn signals are red and black. So what I did was take and my turn signals, before I forget, have connectors like this on the end, and they connect up here and up here. So what I did, the brown and black from the marker lights, I gave myself enough wire to play with for the turn signal, so there's actually probably, comes up here, loops around, it's probably a good foot if not more of cable there. So then I soldered the black and red from my turn signal lights to the brown and black from the marker lights on one side, and on the other side the marker lights on this side were actually blue and black. Remember I said the brown and black split off into 4, so it splits off to a brown and black and a blue and black. So on this side I soldered the red and black from my turn signal to the blue and black wires, and brown and black on the other side. My marker lights were white before, so I'm going to change them to amber now that they're turn signals, and then that's it. Put your connections back together and you're good to go.